Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. We are from PBL TPL Design, and today we'll present the result of our final project for this semester. With validation for information system for HR survey of the foundation, written by PPL 609, with project leader Siska Handayani and team members Muhammad Lubis, Brian Aditya Daci, Aik Bazulni, Raja Putra Muhammad Adil, and Sandra Fadil Tayani. Next. Okay, journey so far, or journey from problem to solution, propose solution, we develop and integrate HR information system to streamline data management, including attendance, leave, and performance evaluation. And cause problem, the foundation requires a system that simplifies employee data management, enables efficient attendance tracking, especially practically request process and support secure employee performance evaluation. Start from concept, design, MVP1, MVP2, and deploy. Okay, next. Our solutions, nice HR, introducing solution nice HR. Now, MVP1, features one is data management for handles storing and updating employee personal and job related information. Features two, employee leave, manage employee leave request approval process. MP2 features one, features three, employee attendance, tracks daily presence and absence of employees, and features four, employee performance evaluation for assess employee work performance based on specific criteria. Okay, next slide we will explain Marsandra.
Okay, target user and reach. Who are our user and how we reach them? Segmentation, the age 25 until 55 years old. Location focus on the neighborhood of Darussalam Foundation Batam. Occupation, head of foundation, head of HRD, HR staff, head of department, and head of school. Actual user acquisition, we successfully reached 5 active users through direct socialization within the foundation and application demos during coordination meetings. The second is the majority of our user came from internal referral between foundation units. And the last is we also share the application link through WhatsApp group and receive positive feedback. Next. Market validation and user engagement. There are two photos showing the analytic dashboard after deployment using Railway. The most accessed page is the attendance summary, and the user access it are members demonstrating it to clients. The user feedback is the first has potential if this project is developed to the next stage. The second, the work evaluation feature generate summary to simplify the reporting process. And the last is support human resource management by adding new office or work locations spread across various units of the foundation. The next slide will be explained by Brian.
For go-to-market strategy and execution and results, market and acquisition, we use Instagram page for a channel. These metrics highlight Instagram's effectiveness as a marketing channel and acquisition channel. The strong non-follower reach is a sign that the content is discoverable, making it a valuable source of user acquisition. And for the monetization, since this application was developed for the foundation internal needs, monetization strategy has not yet been implemented at this stage. Next. Technical implementation and scalability. Technical technologies we use, there are PHP as primary programming language, MySQL as database management system, Laravel as a framework project, Visual Studio Code as a main code editor, and Figma as a design and prototyping the application. Next is the architecture diagram. The application is designed with 7 different user roles, each with specific permission and function according to their operational needs. Despite having different access and responsible, All these roles are interconnected in one integrated system architecture. Next. Next is the next steps. For short-term goals, we have conducting further testing in the foundation environment. Next is improvement of application features and database, and deploying the application to the client. For the long-term goals, we have to integrating the system with fingerprint attendance device or mobile device, developing a graphical employees performance status dashboard, and systems capability for use in other foundation outside Darussalam Batam. Next will be explained by Iqbal.
Progress and iteration MVP to current version. There is 3 MPV improvement, 3 feature. First one is employee data management. MVV before mid test is basic CRUD without filtering. After mid test now includes search and employee filtering. Number 2, attendance. User can perform check-in and check-out from any location at any time. After mid-test, the system use geofencing with GPS features and predefined time setting to control check-in and check-out activities. Number 3, performance evaluation. Before mid-test, not available. After mid-test, input and evaluation history are now accessible. Also, soft delete and activity logs have been added, especially for attendance-related actions. Next is documentation and resource. We use document there is documentation for our project for link repository is GitHub, manual book and manual book is Google Drive, and design for Figma. Next is will be explained by Raja.
Okay, listen learn. Pendidikan kewarganegaraan, help understand the ethics and social responsibility of managing employee data, metodologi penelitian, assist in the process of analyzing data, and preparing reports on the result of system development. Kewirausahaan, teach innovation and effective project management for value add solution, menulis bahasa Inggris, support the creation of technical documentation and professional communication in English. Kapita Selecta, provide insight into the last technologies relevant to system development. Proyek perangkat lunak industri provides a framework for requirements analysis and system evaluation. Next. And this is our documentation for the one semester. And next, our demo will be explained by Iqbal Zulbi.